This is Mohan Shetty, who has worked in Air India, who is currently retired and has worked in Air India for over 36 years as an in-flight supervisor. So, Mohan, can you give us a brief on what opportunities do you think are available today in the flight industry?
Okay, to answer your question, initially we are going through one of the hardest phase human beings have faced is this COVID-19. So this has completely disrupted the industry in which I was working for 36 years. And I pray and I hope that this industry revives once again. However, to give you an idea to the youngsters, who wish to join this must be a people's person. He should be extrovert. He and she should love traveling and, you know, from the service industry. Okay. If they have a catering background, it is helpful. Catering or hotel background, it is always helpful. And a knowledge of languages is always an additional factor because you're dealing with people with different nationalities, you'll be traveling all over the world. So it just helps you in your communication. Some of the things that you should not be having is a fear for water. You see, in case of an emergency, if you land in water, you have a life vest that saves everybody on board, but you must not have a fear for water. And you must not be colorblind, you must be a fit person, you must not be suffering from vertigo, you must have a good eyesight, and each airline has their own height and weight regulations. But generally, for a person who is loving the world, loving traveling, loving a challenging job, it's a very challenging job because you have no day and night, you have no holidays. You see, it works absolutely different to an office life.
Mhm.
And some of the issues which you lose out in this job, would you like me to tell you some of them?
Sure, why not?
Okay. See, you lose family life, you lose social life, and you can lose your health if you're not very vigilant and careful throughout your career. Because, see, you are in a capsule for so many hours, which is an artificial environment. So, whenever you get time to rest is important, exercise is important, proper diet is important, because without sleep, you cannot be healthy. You see?
Yeah.
But this job is such that you don't have a regular timing. You could be called at 3 o'clock in the morning, you could be called at 10 o'clock in the morning, you could have, the timings are odd. So you got to get used to the jet lag, the timing. But if you keep a regular regime of, exercising, sleeping, good food, you know, it will, you can survive. I survived for 36 years. So it's a very interesting profession and it matures you maybe 100 times faster than any other job because you are traveling the world. Traveling itself is an education, meeting various people itself is an education. But you must be a lover of travel. You should be a lover of, people's person. You should be an extrovert. All these factors are there.
Great.
As far as qualification is concerned, basically different airlines have different criteria. I think in India, it is basically you have to be a graduate. If you're from the catering or the hotel background, it helps you. This is, and it is not necessary, it is mandatory because they give you a very good training before you start flying. And nowadays there are various schools available all over India which trains you. The basic training is given to you about food and emergencies and all that. how to handle various emergencies, and so that's it.
That's great. So thank you, Mohan. Thank you so much for your time and see you soon.
Yeah,
Enjoy your
yeah.
retirement.
Thank you. Thanks, Johan. Bye.